problem for sanitation. Most people wise decision to travel on every nation, to have a quite short vacation, to have a good relaxation. Searching for such location, they found a service destination. Service destination on deck flight. They book a year reservation, Marella cruise ship best selection. Now you're all coming to the ship. On our first day embarkation, you should pass immigration, passport verification, and your luggage for inspection. During emergency situation, you should go to boat station. Passengers that needs attention should bring their own medication. On your day of relaxation, we have a 12-month trivia question. We have a pool bar station that offers you a drink selection. Caring for health condition, you should know your limitation. And to avoid accidentation, you should drink in moderation. Now you should do this as well. On your bridge visitation, we'll answer all your inquisition. Bridge officers' dedication to give you safe navigation. Engine control division in charge of speed limitation. Checking fuel consumption for on-time destination. Environmental division, the most important regulation. And to avoid the sea pollution, we need a garbage segregation. Housekeeping division, in charge of cabin inspection. A regular fumigation, stopping bugs fornication. On the restaurant division, there is no room for starvation. We have a good food preparation. It's good for your digestion. It's pasalon beautification. Care for your skin complexion. Therapy and massage session. Good for blood circulation. Coronavirus. I have to mention the problem of every nation is a worldwide contamination that affects humanization. World Health Organization provides hospitalization, and to avoid isolation, you should get vaccination. Entertainment division offers you a great production. Sing and dance presentation will give you more satisfaction. The highlight introduction, cruise show talent portion. And if you want more information, ask the girls at the reception. If you agree, no doubt, no question, then forget your compensation. And if you like my composition, I don't mind standing ovation.
you work?
Oh, well, I'm working on the bridge, as you can see on the video.
On the bridge?
Sorry.
And what do you do on the bridge?
Roaming around. No, I'm the driver of the ship.
You're the driver of the ship! So who is driving the ship right now?
Well, we're on autopilot at the moment.
We're-
Because we're a long way. Usually we do the driving arrival and departure only.
Arrival and departure only. Remember that, everyone, we're on autopilot right now. So, Paul, how long have you been playing the guitar?
This is my own, long time. When I was at the high school, my mom gave me a present. I don't know how to play. But she said, you should play because all your cousins, your uncle, they play. So I have to learn by myself.
So it runs in your family.
Yeah.
Very nice. What's your favourite song to play on there?
Well, Elvis Presley, as Captain always told me.
Captain, do you like Elvis Presley? Would you like to play a little bit of Elvis Presley? Here we go.